Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Tex Everyday. Patwa our language, and we feel good to share one more text with you from the Bible. Today text come from Luke 22 verse 47 to 48. How Judas sell out Jesus? Make we hear what the Bible say about it.
When Jesus did still attack, all of a sudden one crowd come down. One of Jesus' 12 apostles them, the one we named Judas, did a lead them. Him go for kiss Jesus, but Jesus asked him say,
Judas, you are going to use one kiss and sell out the man where God pick?
One kiss is something where we use for show affection, but Judas use it for sell out Jesus. The lesson for we: be careful of some of people them where we call friend. Think about this. Where this a text I teach me about God? How me can use it in my life? How me can use it help other people? One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how me think. God really love we, and when we serve Him, it make Him happy. So we must read Him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember say, when you wanna text far, it make the devil turn far. If you like this Patwa text, then subscribe to the channel. Do it now. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with everybody. Come back tomorrow for one more text from the Jamaican New Testament Bible.